Hello and welcome to BytoTips. If you love learning computer tips, tricks, and software hacks, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to kick off a brand new playlist documenting my journey into C++ programming. Let me share 3 reasons why I'm starting this journey into C++ and why you might want to join me. 1. It's powerful. C++ gives you control over how your programs use memory and system resources. 2. It's versatile. You can use it for creating almost anything, from apps to simulations. 3. It's foundational. Mastering C++ makes it easier to learn other programming languages like Python, Java, or even Go. C++ is for anyone curious about how software works, whether you're a beginner, a student, or someone looking to expand your skills. And with this playlist, I'll be taking you step by step through my C++ learning journey. To get started, you'll need 1. A C++ compiler, which helps your computer understand the code you write. 2. An IDE, or integrated development environment, to write and test your programs easily. This video is just the beginning of an exciting series I'm calling my C++ journey here on BytoTips. Each video will focus on one topic, from writing your first program to mastering advanced concepts. That's it for this introduction. In the next video, we'll install and set up the tools you need to start coding in C++. Make sure to subscribe to BytoTips, like this video, and click the bell icon so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.